Today I'm heading to the Chinatown of Buenos Aires. Another stunning church in here. I noticed some gathering over there. Come out to parks and just hang out. It's one way of making money. This is the most interesting Chinatown I've ever been to. You barely see Asians. This is dedicated to Maradona.
Thief of the Jungle, written to educate.
Today I'm heading to the Chinatown of Buenos Aires. Look at this building over here. I think it's a military base. It's quite a stunning building. This is the wall of that building that I showed you earlier. It's all military themed. For those of you who are not familiar with the Argentine history, it's actually quite interesting. They experienced military dictatorship. The socialists, they haven't done much good for the country either. So yeah, I encourage everybody to study the history of Argentina, which used to be one of the most prosperous countries in the world. There's a beautiful bunch of bananas on the military base. Bananas are actually quite expensive in Buenos Aires. Well, relatively expensive. They're imported bananas. Another stunning church in here. Hopefully later on I can enter, check it out on the inside. It's huge. Unfortunately I couldn't get a better shot, but check this out. This is the German embassy. It's a massive territory. You can't even see the building. Wow, wow, wow. I'm very close to Chinatown now. I noticed some gathering over there. So I'm gonna be nosy. So it's a little market. This is actually quite common in Buenos Aires. There are a lot of markets everywhere. It seems like it's maybe an unofficial market. It's really cool how even those who are struggling, they just come together and, you know, set up these little markets here and there, trying to make $1 or $2. A lot of the vendors are actually very young, and yeah, they sell jewelry, so it could be like an artist market. Yeah, a lot of the vendors, they seem like they're in university or something. So in Buenos Aires there is no beach for people to go to, so they come out to parks and just hang out. In fact, it could be an Argentinian way of living, because we notice the same thing in Posadas. People just spent every opportunity they could to just hang out. You know, just wherever they saw some grassy patch, they would just take the family and they would hang out. Now this is very interesting. So I made it to the Chinatown and I haven't seen a single Asian person yet. Well, surely they exist. There are a few Asian signs over there, but I have not seen Asians yet. Here we go. That's the entrance to the Chinatown. Kung Fu Panda right on this building. Haven't had Asian food for some time. Maybe I'll grab some. Nothing beats Asians when it comes to food, or Indians. As soon as you step onto this main street in Chinatown, you can smell the typical aroma of Asian cuisine. In Australia, Asian places are normally quite budget friendly. I wonder what the prices are like in here. It smells really good in here. It's one way of making money. This looks like a very popular place. Panchito, that's a hot dog. Korean hot dog. Now look at this. Look at the size of that hot dog. These guys are selling waffles. Look at that. Crazy. This is the most interesting Chinatown I've ever been to. It's a place where you barely see Asians. And I'm not kidding you. Even those in the restaurant, more often they are Bolivian looking rather than Asian. Very interesting. It's good vibes in here. Definitely, if you're in this part of the world, come and visit it. It's really good vibes. Ton of tourists. And I'm pretty sure that the food is amazing. That poncho looked really attractive, but I don't eat hot dog. Maybe I'm too picky. Over here behind me you can get beautiful ramen, big bowl of ramen for $17. This is Australian. Look at the selection of ice creams they have. I love the Asian ice creams. They're so different, especially the black bean one. If you haven't tried it, make sure you try it one day. This is cool. It's gotta be the biggest bowl of noodles I've ever seen. Spider-Man got a little tired. So this place over here behind me, this is dedicated to Maradona, one of the greatest soccer players of all time. So look at this. You can leave your messages in here. This is actually quite interesting. I've been trying to record this for some time. This line over here is basically waiting for a bus, and I noticed that everywhere where there is a bus station, people line up instead of, you know, everybody is trying to board their buses at the same time. They respectfully form a line depending on which bus they want to board and just wait for their buses. It's such an amazing culture in here. I've never seen this anywhere.
Confidence builds, arrogance breaks. Teeth of the Jungle, written to educate.